How to Profit with PLR. Kevin Fahey's IM Checklist Volume 20. How to Profit with PLR IM Checklist V20 PLR Kickstart. If you use PLR in your business in any way, you're going to love this. IM Checklist was a brand created in last year which releases new marketing checklists every month of various topics. The checklists were originally created by a seven-figure marketer for his coaching clients who paid up to $5,000 to access. After releasing these checklists to the public, there was a massive demand for private label rights because the quality was so good. After a few months, Kevin, the creator of IM Checklist, decided to give in and provided the rights to each volume, free of charge. Crazy, right? He just released the latest volume, which included 18 step-by-step checklists covering everything there is to know about PLR marketing. From coming up with topics, creating the product, funnels, affiliates, everything. These come in 5 different formats and include private label rights. If you're looking for a proven way to earn in 2019, then look no further. See PLR Kickstart. Here's a quick look at the rights included. You can turn them into PowerPoint presentations. You can edit, add graphics and rebrand in any way you wish. You can claim full authorship. You can use them to create a video training course. You can add them to a membership site. You can use them to build your email list, individual checklists only. You can use them to create blog posts or infographics. You can translate them into different languages. How to Profit with PLR. 18 step-by-step checklists in 5 formats with full PLR. PLR Kickstart Checklist. Top 10 PLR Profit Models. PLR Rolodex with the main producers. How to Make PLR Unique. PLR Rebranding. Graphics. PLR Rebranding. Written content. PLR Rebranding. Video. PLR Rebranding. Sales page. Rewriting PLR articles. Turning PLR articles into video. Turning PLR into a lead magnet. Using PLR as a bonus. Creating a fire sale with PLR. PLR Final Secrets. Product launch from PLR. Creating an offline training from PLR. Turn PLR into a $500 premium product. PLR Toolbox. Front-end IM Checklist V20 PLR Kickstart. Price $17, $22, 60% commission. Upsell number 1, IM Checklist Monthly Membership. Price $17 a month, 50% commission for life. Upsell number 2, Lazy Affiliate Method, proven brand new course. Price $27, 50% commission. Upsell number 3, 15 Monetization Methods, new. Price $37, 50% commission. Upsell number 4, 10x Blowout Training. Price $97. How to Profit with PLR. Kevin Fahey's IM Checklist Volume 20.